Hey guys, so welcome back to the classroom. You guys know that I like to make both long and short videos. The short one is for you guys with a short attention span that kind of get overwhelmed with some of this information. And the longer one is for you guys that need more information, need more time, need to see it over and over again. So this is going to be a very short video, and it's just going to be talking about the C1 signal of the standard entry rules, the baseline rules as well, C1 and what that means. C1 is our confirmation entry, our confirmation signal. It's the primary, the main thing that tells us that price is basically going in a particular direction. With the SSL Hybrid, we use the arrows. So here's a C1 signal. Here's a C1 signal. Here's a C1 signal. That doesn't mean we take all of them. You guys know we have rules, but I'm just letting you identify. C1 signal, C1 signal, C1 signal, C1 signal. So if you have arrows, if you turn on the SSL hybrid exit arrows, you are turning on what we use as our C1 signal. Okay, so that's all I wanted to do with this video is to help you identify the C1 signal. So when you're writing down our rules, your rules for this trade, algorithm, this system, your C1 signal is your first, your primary, your main confirmation. So the first thing we're looking for in a standard entry is the arrow. Okay, guys, that's it. In the next video, I'm just going to tell you about the baseline. And we're going to talk about what that means when we say baseline agrees in the standard entry rule. Okay, talk soon. Bye now.